Hey guys, welcome back. It is Back to Basics Day 10. Yes, Back to Basics Day 10. How awesome. So I'm getting a very late start to my Back to Basics Day 10. It's been over 24 hours since I've been fasting. I don't feel hungry, which is weird, a weird feeling for me. But I came home, I was exhausted, and the first thing I did was take a nap. So I took a nap, I got up, I've been milling around the house for a little bit, and right now it's about 7:30. I went ahead and just prepared my meal. It is gonna be leftovers, okay? Just in case you were wondering. So I have some roasted zucchini and yellow squash. I still have some of that roasted almost said broccoli. Okay. Asparagus with the Parmesan cheese on top. And then I have 3 of these little flautas that I made the other day. So that's going to be my meal. I have the little spicy sauce finally to go with those flautas. I have to wash a muggy. I'm so sorry. So I have my little mug here of coffee that I'm going to have. I do have a Zevia, which is like a 0-calorie soda, sugar-free and stuff like that. And this one doesn't have any caffeine in it. So it's like a naturally flavored soda. I have a Zevia that I got from Sprouts. And just in case this is not enough, I do have some peanuts. You guys know I love my peanuts. I actually have to go pick up some more from my local grocery store. I love them. They come pre-packaged, and I like to throw them into the oven just to kind of get a nicer roast on them and just have that really good yummy roasted peanut flavor. So that is what I have for today. I have my water over here. What's it called? No Crystal Light water today. I'm just gonna have regular water because as soon as I eat this, I'm more than likely just gonna head upstairs, take my shower for the evening, and I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna go right to bed. I was so tired today. I could not function. I don't know how I got home. Literally, I don't know how I got home. My body was just on like autopilot. I'm driving, but I'm at the same time, I'm like nodding off. Like it was so bad. So the first thing I did was I was like, okay, your body is telling you you need some rest. So I went upstairs, I turned on my little electric blanket and I snuggled up. Oh, yeah. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and break my fast. I could have just kept it going and not fasted, but kept it going and just continued to fast until tomorrow and then broke my fast. But I don't want to fall out at work. So I'm going to go ahead and replenish my body with what it needs today. So I'm going to go ahead and eat and break my fast with my meal. I know this one's a short one. It's okay. I'm actually really thinking about just kind of combining 2 days. So instead of just doing day 10, I can do day 10 and 11. And that way, it's a little bit of a longer video for you guys. But yeah, so that was pretty much it for today. I hope you guys are doing great. Listen to your body. If you need that rest, take that rest. Because it'll definitely work out for me. I feel like my clarity is back and I feel so much better. But I'm going to feel even better after I go to sleep tonight because I'm sure my body needs more. So let me go ahead and fuel up and I will talk with you guys, I guess tomorrow. Same time, same place, right back here on the channel. Spices, welcome back to my channel. Let me make sure you guys are straight with me here. Okay. I made, as you can see, some quesadillas, and I made it with the leftover stuff that I already had. So that leftover taco meat, I had cheese, of course, and 3 eggs to kind of add a little protein in there as well. So I had those 3 eggs in there, and that I just fried. It was super simple. And then I ran to the store because I got some sour cream, I have some salsa, and of course I also had some avocado. So yes, super ready to eat that. I still have some of my spicy sauce just in case I want to kind of dip that in there for a little spice. And then I have a salad here. You guys already know I always got a side salad. I'm always trying to incorporate my greens. This time we actually are using a spinach and arugula mix, which is great. I like the little spiciness of the arugula in there. I did some spicy pumpkin seeds. You guys know I love my pumpkin seeds, and they actually had some of that kind of like pre-cooked bacon, but like in little, pieces. So I threw a little bit on that for a little razzle dazzle as well. I used the creamy Caesar dressing and some Parmesan cheese, and of course a little hit of black pepper. So that is what I'm gonna be having for today. I have my Crystal Light water and muggy with my protein coffee. All right, I think that is pretty much it. I'm so sorry that it's not as quick. I actually had an appointment today. I went and got my nails and my feet done, and they needed it, okay? I needed to get those done. So I'm just now getting home. I wanted to at least show you guys a little bit of how I prepared my meal for the most part. But yeah, other than that, I think that's pretty much it. So I will definitely combine both days together, and hopefully in the future I can start combining like the full week and then do a weekly vlog and then a weekend vlog. That way it's not like, a bunch of little tiny videos. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are having a great week. Tomorrow is Friday. Ooh, I can't wait. I cannot wait to come home and just relax and not have to worry about work stuff. So that is what I'm definitely looking forward to. But I hope you guys are having a great one. Thank you so much for all of the wonderful comments you guys are dropping, and some knowledge, some research. I love it. Keep it up. Keep up that good work, because this is stuff that I don't know, and I'm so happy that somebody's actually kind of helping guide me in the directions that I need to go in order to hit my goals as far as my my health journey. So thank you guys so much. You just don't understand and know how much I appreciate you guys, all of you. So thank you so much once again. I will see you here tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care. Bye.